Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RS Kitchen. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. In this video, we will show you how to prepare panna. We require 2 raw mangoes for this. Take the chopped mangoes in a microwave safe bowl and cover with a microwave safe plate. Microwave it for 2 minutes. When the mangoes become soft, blend it to a smooth puree. Strain it using a strainer. Take 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Boil till the sugar is dissolved. Add the puree and mix it well. Boil till it becomes thick to one string consistency. Take 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of black salt and mix to the syrup. Now the syrup is ready and it can be stored in an airtight container. For the panna, take 2 tablespoons of the syrup and water in a glass and mix it. Panna is ready. Thank you for watching.